Hi, this is a short video to introduce our new 3D pens that you can use. You'll notice there's two little labels on here. This one says to hold for 3 seconds. That will tell you to turn it on. So you'll hold it for 3. This will turn on. You can see, well, it looks in the video that it's green, but on here it's actually red. So you need to wait for this light to turn green before you can start, because green will tell you that it's hot enough to begin. Now that it has turned green, you can take your filament. There's a hole right back here that you're going to stick that filament in. Do it all the way till it can't go anymore. And then you're going to push this big button here. That's what makes it go in. And to start with, you want to hold it kind of like this and give it a little push. You can see it starting to go in now. I'm going to wait for some of it to come out the other end. It's the color that was in it before, so I'm going to wait until it turns red. You can see I'm going to turn it off. The good thing about the ones that we bought are they're low temp, so did you see I could immediately touch that and it was fine. Okay, it does come out kind of quickly, so you have to kind of be on it, but I have some different pages. This is one that I made. I'm going to show you my little bench. Here's the bench that I made. You can see the different pieces. So I made this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. And then I peeled them off and stuck them together. Something like this is going to take you like an hour. So if you're going to want to make a piece like this, I'm just trying to get it where you can see it. You're going to need to probably make one piece at a time and then come back and finish it later, because you probably won't have a whole hour at any one point. But we have some different pages, like some of them have something like this, where you can see the different pieces you would need to make. Some of them are pretty simple, like this, where it's just a 2D object that you would make. But I was working, before I started this video, on this strawberry right here. So I've already done it in black, and now I'm going to go over it and do the red part. See if you can see. Oops, do you see it's already coming out? And it comes out pretty fast. And you just kind of have to go back and forth and fill it in, almost like if you think about when you're coloring, how you have to fill it all in. It's the same kind of way. So I'm going to stop it there so you can kind of see. I'm going to hold it up so you can see my red. It's okay to go ahead and touch it, but I would fill in all of my red there. You have to let it kind of dry for a few minutes before it's easy to take off this page. If I try to take it off now, there's a good chance it's going to stick down to this page. But when I'm done and I'm ready to go, I hold this down and it will make it where it makes me take this out. You're not going to be able to leave your filament in there. But you can also take a filament out if you want to keep using it, using this button here. You hear it's kind of, you start, and then you kind of have to give it a tug. Do you see I'm using a little bit of pressure to tug it out? And now it's out and I can stop. And now I'm ready to do my next color. When I'm ready to turn it off, I'll just hold this button and then it goes off.